Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be attempting to do a at-home silk press. Now this will be my first time doing a silk press on my own. You know, I'm used to my silk presses, but this is my first time doing it on my own. I just want to try to see like if I'm able to master this. Salon what? Nah, but I can't miss out my salon. But yeah, so I just finished washing my hair. Now after shampooing, I'm gonna go in with my Cream of Nature hair mask. Okay, I'm gonna give myself a deep conditioning just because I haven't had one in a very long time. So I mean, we're gonna go in on this silk press. Okay, I'm getting the deep conditioning. I'm trimming my ends. Okay, I have the products and we about to get to it. So just enjoy the video and hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet for your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
finished look. What y'all think? My hair is so thick. Oh my gosh. But I mean, it's there. It's so thick. Yes, I'm gonna wrap it, but this is the finished look. And what do y'all think? My hair is so thick. What do y'all think? You know, I'm feeling it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.